Hello, my name is Marti Lloret-Cabot, and I am an associate professor in civil engineering here in the Department of Engineering at Durham University, where I also serve as the undergraduate admissions tutor. In this short video, I would like to introduce you to our general engineering program, and I will share with you why we believe this program offers the best learning model for our engineering students. Why do we focus in general engineering? We are in fact a department of general engineering, and we think that this is the right way to go. To illustrate why, I would like to use the example shown in this slide of an offshore wind farm. However, the reasons I will highlight for this particular example are equally valid for many other engineering challenges we face today, from designing sustainable climate-resilient infrastructure to advancing in robotics or tackling complex engineering health problems. I've chosen offshore wind turbines not only because the example fits perfectly with the point I want to make, but also because this example aligns very closely with some of our research strengths and interests as a department. An offshore wind farm provides a solution to a well-known global problem. How do we generate energy from renewable and sustainable sources, in this case from the wind? But implementing this solution is extremely challenging, not only because offshore turbines operate in a hostile and highly corrosive marine environment, but also because the problem is multidisciplinary in its nature, as it requires contributions and expertise from almost every branch of engineering. For example, we need civil engineers, more specifically geotechnical engineers, to determine how each turbine will stand safely both during construction and over its lifetime. We need mechanical engineers to design the gearbox and electrical engineers to design the generators. Together, these systems transform the kinetic energy of the wind into electricity. We need aeronautical engineers to analyze how air flows around the turbine blades and to optimize the shape of these turbine blades for maximum efficiency. We need electrical engineers again to help designing how to transport electricity from the farm to the national grid, ensuring that the power generated offshore can be delivered to homes and businesses. And we need electronic engineers to create the control systems, the communication links, and the monitoring technologies that keep the entire wind farm operating safely and effectively. So as you can see, solving a single engineering challenge requires many different engineering skills and knowledge. Each of these engineers must be a specialist in their own chosen field, but they also need to understand the wider engineering context so that they can all communicate effectively. That is why we believe that a wide breadth of general engineering knowledge that then specializes in a chosen field is the way to go. And therefore, this is our program. This general engineering philosophy gives us the following degree structure, where you will spend the first 2 years studying all aspects of engineering before making an informed decision about your future specialism.